with Angel Water. I'm servicing and educating Mrs. Morgan on her water treatment equipment. I just got done doing the service on her chlorination system and her water softener. They're doing a great job. They get an A+ as far as water goes. Mrs. Morgan, do you mind just telling us, why you picked Angel Water?
Sure. So we had problems with rust in all of our tubs and sinks and had a terrible smell, odor coming from the water. And it's been about a year since we've had the chlorination system, and we're very happy. The smell's gone. I only have to scrub every 2 to 3 months because we had terrible rust in the water, but we're very happy.
Awesome. So you understand the importance of treating well water now?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much, and we appreciate your business.
Thank you.